Hello students, in my last video I had started off with the last topic of promotion mix, that is public relations. We completed the meaning of it. It means, let us have a quick revision. Public relations or PR means any activities or group of activities conducted by a company or any firm to promote and protect the image of the company, its products and policies in the eyes of the public. So PR tries to maintain good rapport with the public as well as the image of the company in the eyes of general public should be maintained. These two are the main important objectives of the public relations. For that, the company may hire different departments or services, different professionals or services, or it can have its own departments also. The main objective of the public relation department is to improve the public image. The goodwill of the firm should be increased, may not be in monetary terms, but be it, say, the social value terms. It also involves the top management commitment because if uh, the PR depends a lot on the policies framed by top management. So, if top management themselves do not follow the rules and the regulations of government and the rules and laws of the land, then of course the other levels of the management and employees in general won't be seen to have a good public image. So that would depend a lot on how top management commits its resources and decision making in favor of the society or in any other way that can improve a public that can improve the image of the company in the eyes of public. Different events and tactics are used that we are going to see in the slides to come. Role of public relation, say it would maintain good press relations. It would also do a lot of product publicity, so the quality, features, and other benefits of the product are advertised in the manner that it may seem to be helpful to the public. Corporate communication is very important, like newsletters, annual reports, brochures, audio visuals, or any influential personalities interviews. All these series of events would lead to good corporate communication and that would speak tons about the firm and its policies. Lobbying means having good relations, healthy relations with the government officials, ministry in charge of the corporate affairs, industries, finance, etc. Counseling here means the advice that these public relation department would give to the management on the issues that affect the image of the company and also guide them to involve in various social welfare activities to increase the presence in the public domain and gain confidence of the society at large. Objectives are for building awareness about the firm and its products, building credibility so that the firm may not have to incur so much into the other forms of advertisements or promotion. It stimulates sales force because a generally known brand, the fourth point, lower promotion cost and stimulates sales force can be combined because they are interrelated. If the public relation department works well, then it may lower the other promotional activities and hence reducing the cost of them. And it also stimulates sales force because it would be easier for the sales force to communicate and to speak about the product or services of the firm. Now let us see the tools of public relations. It means what are the area or what are the events through which we can gain a favorable media coverage or that can help us in providing information to general public or independent media. These tools are, first is press release. So in short, these are the ways in which company can try to change, improve or up their image in the eyes of public. So first is press release. It is an announcement of an event or any newsworthy item issued to the press by the public relation professional or department. It can be in form of a story, an article or a statement, anything. Or the other press media, the print media may include newspapers, radio, television or internet. Say many online coaching firms are giving a lot of advertisements now. So that advertisement you can say is a press release also. Say when you start a new course or you start coaching of JEE NEET exams or you start coaching about CAT exam, you may give a press release. So that's also a kind of promotional activity wherein you are informing about your activities but in a more formal way. Press kits, it is a comprehensive package of promotional material provided to the number of press containing information about company's products and services. It may include information about top management, detail about the product, company's ethos or policies, future plans, achievements. It's like a mini advertisement about or mini introduction about the firm and what it does. So press kit is not only an advertisement about a product or a service, but it is a full portfolio right from the owner of the firm to the product of the firm. Everything is mentioned on that brochure or a leaflet or in advertisement form that is to be given in print or telemedia. Brochures and newsletters are little different. Brochures are little say a small booklet published by organization containing detailed information about everything that a company does, like from the history or introduction of the firm to the products, offices, services, achievements, the customers of the firm, the distributors network, or the any other information that should be known to the public is included in the brochure. Next is newsletter. Newsletter is like a periodic. It's very different from brochure in a way that brochure is a one time print, while newsletter is a repetitive, frequent print. Say a company may issue a newsletter fortnightly, monthly, or bi monthly, or sometimes say biannually also, say only twice in a year. But that newsletter would include achievements, other activities going on in the organization during a specific or specified period of time. So all the information that has to be circulated within say a specific group, say within the employees or within the town or within the community, is given in a newsletter form. It can be made very interesting by say giving many photographs, the recent photographs of the activities, as well as by using good glossy papers, colors, designs and graphics. So in that way it becomes catchy and people do not forget it generally for a longer period of time. Annual reports. Annual report is, as the name suggests, must be published in a year. It's a comprehensive report that would describe everything like operations of the firm and financial activities that have been conducted throughout the previous year. It is an important tool that is used to provide information to shareholders, banks, governments, and other interested stakeholders. So mostly now all the analysis that many stakeholders do. Now we all know the meaning of stakeholders. Anyone who can affect the firm or the firm can affect them. So these stakeholders would normally make a picture of the company from the basis of such say annual reports only. Annual reports, it's like a full package of financial activities as well as other operational activities. From that you can have many ratio analysis and other presentation about the firm. Even the future plans can be known from the annual reports that a company prepares. The next one is conferences and seminars. Organizations organize conferences, seminars, and they may hold workshops also to spread awareness about the company. So this is mainly used by the consumer firms like Oriflame, Enway, Avon, and also Harpic. And yes, Harpic, if you want to have the live example, wherein Akshay Kumar jumps from that open toilet truck and shows what it is, right? So it's like a workshop to spread awareness that how a product works, or a conference or seminar to disseminate some general information about new product, or inform the general public or stakeholders about the technology changes and what a company does to adopt new technologies or to improve its existing product lines or services. So anything that can be talked about, that can be communicated about with a live element in it. Live element here would be, say in conference and seminars you would have to involve top management and other officials, while in the other forms all are the indirect ones, say press release, brochure, newsletter, annual reports. In that the pages speak, the prints speak, while in conferences and seminars people speak. So that is more lively and engaging, right? So conferences and seminars are normally used when some vital information is to be spread, or you have to inform the general public about some good achievements or some changes in the firm. Events. Events are one of the most important tools to build company's image. Events can be, as we discussed in the beginning, Founders Day celebration, sports events, annual award program, charity functions, blood donation camps, other camps for children. All these events would also add up to the good public relations. In short, public relation is something that has to be maintained in a healthier way so that other promotional costs come down, and also the image and the brand value of the firm in the eyes of public. Whenever you buy a new product or service, normally you keep the image of the company in mind. You are buying, say for example, 5 star or Dairy Milk. You are buying other products, say toiletries. You are buying jewelries. You are buying consumer durable products. You are going for shopping. You are visiting a particular shop. You always will have the company's image in mind first, even before you make your buying decision, or even before you think about window shopping, right? You do not actually go for shopping, but whenever you step in, you may have that image of the firm indirectly or directly playing an important role in influencing your behavior, right? Whether that behavior can would end up in a buying process or may not be, but of course it would influence your friend circle's buying. You may end up giving opinions about that firm based on what image you have of that firm in your mind. So that image improvement is nothing but a big industry called PR industry. And there are many courses available in PR also. And also, say if you observe minutely the advertisements or any communication formally given by the firm, even nowadays the charity functions are held only to improve the public image. So all these are part of nothing but a promotion mix that would, like, apart from having the advertisements, personal selling, and publicity as a part of your portfolio, PR plays a vital role, very important role in improving and building goodwill of the firm. So this is all about the last topic of the chapter. Now onwards, I will be sending videos of some case studies, or say explanation of some case studies. Before that, I will be sending pictures of those cases, and in case I do not get satisfactory answer, or if you are facing some problem in the case studies given, I will be making videos explaining those case studies, and I will be sending them to you. Otherwise, the next plan is from Wednesday onwards, I'll be at least dedicating 2 to 3 classes for revising the whole chapter, and as soon as the revision ends, the next day, or at least having a one classes gap, I'll be taking the test on our assessed app. And then if you can buy some books for, or at least one book for the question paper solving purpose. Say I'll be suggesting you some names like Super 20 or other publication houses that are releasing good sets of question papers with and without solutions, or else you can download your last 2 to 3 years question papers and practice. But the problem is, in last year question papers or any year's question papers will not have MCQs, and we need rigorous practice of MCQs, fill in the blanks, true or false, etc. So for that, I advise all of you to buy at least one book. I recommend this one that I am using, Meena Verma Dhanpat Rai, or you can also go for GS Alag books. And one more book I will be finding out and giving you reference tomorrow, that is specifically designed for question papers, right? So please do a lot of practice, without which you are not going to get good marks for sure. And also I'll be informing you about the project work. I'm very sure almost every one of you has completed it. If not, please do it, because we'll have pre-board viva also. And in pre-board viva, we normally go through the what do we say, the actual project work, right? Till now I have not seen any of your project work in my hand. It's not there because of course we are not meeting live or in classes anywhere. So I'll be giving you the date by which you have to submit your project work to school, to Neetu ma'am's office. I'll be collecting them, I'll be going through them, and then we'll be having a pre-board viva, right? So please be ready. Within next 10 days, you will have to do this much work that I have mentioned. You have to prepare for this chapter's test, as well as you have to buy at least one good reference book for your studies. and you have to download at least last 2 years question papers and solve any one of them. Now the reading part should be less and the solving part should be more, right? Because if you read, you will gain a lot of confidence for sure, but if you solve the questions, you will come to know where you need to improve, what is the area in which you need to pay more attention, right? So that loopholes or gray areas can only be found if you solve the questions can be short answer type, long answer type, MCQs, any questions. And that is the reason I am giving at least a few questions at the end of every chapter. Sadly, very few students answer, but yes, at least they answer. Others should also try. I do not see any response from Eva, Dipasha, and other few students. I don't remember names right now, but I'll be sending a list who are inactive. Right, so please be active, please take part in all these discussions and questions, because it's for you only. It would be giving you good marks at the end, right? So till then, please take care of yourself. If anything is to be conveyed now, I'll be sending another video, or please say I'll be explaining along with the revision that we are going to do from tomorrow. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, all of you.